Hello, all you beautiful, mature women. I just got my Shane order in, so I thought I would videotape me opening it so you could see how much stuff I got for $340. Just keeps going. More and more and more. This many things for $300. Might have been like $340. This is a cover up. Sorry, my face looks so weird. I had a laser treatment and my mouth's swollen. Like $9. So look, it's gonna cinch up here. So cute, right? It's one thing to say the website's good, but I want to see when they get it what it looks like. This is a cover up. Oh, and this is definitely a high necked one. So I can wear this with my high neck bathing suits. So cute. See, it's like kind of sweatery material. It's really nice. And you can return stuff. This is a dress. What's great is they have description where you can look at the bust size, the waist size, the hips, and then you can look at the fabric so you can see, you know, whether or not you're gonna get it. That's down to the right. The website's so totally overwhelming because there's thousands of pieces of clothing and bathing suits to choose from. So you really have to use the filters, filter out what you want. Cute. Oh, this is a robe, a silk robe that I ordered. Oh, it's pretty with lace. I haven't had a robe in I don't know how long. Sexy, pretty, shiny, satiny. Look how pretty the details, the arms. Cute, right? That's the panties. I think they were like $8 for 4. They're cute, nice fabric. Oh, these are some little shorts I got. Like to wear over a bathing suit or something. Cute. And they feel they're the same quality as you get at Diane's or any of those really nice swimwear shops. To the filters, and I go to bathing suit tops, and I go to XL, XXL. I have this little thing in the center, this little metal thing in the center. It's the exact same fabric as you get at the nice stores. And it's like $5 for this. Can you even believe all of this for $340? Like, crazy. This is a one piece. Isn't this so cute? Excited to try this. And all my bottoms were like all these different colors and they didn't go with any of my tops. I'm like, I need just plain tops and plain bottoms. Everything was all different colors, so nothing matched. Didn't have any plain anything. You can put in there cheeky, you can put in high waist, hipster, thong, whatever bottoms you like to wear. These are medium, it's little red ones. So in the end, I got like 4 dresses, 10 bathing suit bottoms, 8 bathing suit tops, 3 one-piece bathing suits, 8 cover-ups, a sweater, a robe, 2 nightgowns, 8 panties, and here's just a couple of the dresses on me, and I think one of the nightgowns and one of the cover-ups. 2 of the cover-ups actually. Sorry I couldn't zoom these, they were kind of weird, but I did send back like $100 worth of stuff, so for $240 I got a lot. So hopefully that'll inspire you to go on Shein.com, Shein.com. Thanks for watching.